I'm going to show you how to make a Ramos Fizz. This is a blender drink, but you can also do it shaken over ice, which is how I'm going to show you how to make it right now. Start off with your ice, pour that into a glass, just like so. And then we're going to start adding our ingredients. We're going to need 2 ounces of gin. Any type will do. So shop around, have a gin tasting party, figure out which kind is your favorite. And that's the kind you should use because you're going to be drinking this. All right, then we're going to add in 1.5 ounces of cream, just like so. And we're going to add 1/2 ounce of lemon juice. And you can use fresh if you have the time to squeeze, or you can use it from a bottle. If you're having a cocktail party, I recommend the bottle version. Because you don't want to spend all night squeezing lemons and limes. You want to hang out with your friends and party. All right, 1/2 ounce of the lime juice. And then we're going to add 2 drops of orange flower water, which you can get at better liquor stores, 1, 2, or at a drugstore. And we're going to add in a teaspoon of powdered sugar. It's going to make it nice and sweet and tasty. We're going to go ahead and shake this up. If you're making this in a blender, just blend it until it's smooth. Lastly, I'm going to pour in my club soda for a little bit of fizz, and I'm going to pour this into a highball glass. And that looks wonderful. I'm going to garnish that with a slice of orange, and voila, Ramos Fizz. Cheers.